Hey everyone, Andy and Trey here for Two Gay Expats. In this video, we're taking you inside Elite Hotel, a 100% gay men's clothing optional boutique hotel in the heart of Sitges.
We're breaking down everything from the rooms and amenities to our overall experience and Sitges travel tips so you can decide if this is the perfect gay getaway for you. Are you ready?
Let's go. Elite Hotel Sitges is located in the heart of Sitges Historic Center, just steps from popular gay bars, restaurants, and of course Sitges' famous beaches.
What's great about this location is that you're just a 10 to 15 minute walk to Balmeens Beach, one of the best nudist and gay-friendly beaches in Sitges. You're also just minutes away from Bassa Redona, the main gay beach in town.
And because Sitges is super walkable, everything from the train station to the nightlife is close by, making it easy to explore.
Now let's talk about the hotel itself. Even though Elite has just 11 rooms, it packs in some amazing amenities.
First up is the rooftop sun deck, a clothing optional space with stunning views over Sitges rooftops.
One of our favorite features, the Rooftop Infinity Spa. It's the perfect place to soak and unwind after a long day at the beach, and it stays open till midnight, which we absolutely love. Since our last visit, they've also added a steamy new upgrade, a proper steam room, plus an outdoor shower that's perfect for cooling off between dips.
And just steps away, you'll find the SkyBar, serving up cocktails and mixed drinks from 11 a.m. till midnight. Whether you're sipping something tropical or just taking in the view, it's a great spot to relax. And if you really want to treat yourself, they also offer professional massages. Just be sure to book at least 24 hours in advance to lock in your spot.
Downstairs, there's a cozy lounge and bar, plus a charming patio area where you can grab a drink and socialize with fellow guests. It's a great place to mix and mingle with other guys staying at the hotel.
In terms of accommodations, we were upgraded to a premium balcony room with a patio view. And let me tell you, it was absolutely perfect for our stay.
The rooms at Elite Hotel Sitges are modern, stylish, and surprisingly well equipped. At around 15 to 16 square meters, or 160 square feet. They're cozy but functional, but every inch is used smartly, and the design feels sleek and contemporary.
We were really impressed with the thoughtful amenities. Each room comes with a super comfortable double bed, air conditioning, an espresso machine for your morning caffeine fix, and bathrobes with plush towels that feel like a little spa moment.
The bathroom is also beautifully modern, with a walk-in rain shower that we both loved. There's a 32-inch flat-screen TV with streaming options if you feel like staying in, and of course free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel.
Little details make a big difference too, like having power outlets on both sides of the bed and 2 complimentary bottles of water waiting when we arrived. It's those small, thoughtful touches that make the stay feel extra welcoming.
And hey, if you want to see Andy give his popular room tour without the robe, join us over on Patreon for some cheeky behind-the-scenes pics and videos exclusively for our Patreon members, plus a few extra surprises too.
As we tour one of the standard rooms at Elite Hotel Sitges, let's discuss cost. Rates vary by season, starting at 125 euros in low season, 150 euros in mid-season, and 190 euros in high season. So definitely book early if you're coming in summer. Low season runs from November through January, and high season runs from June through September. Mid-season are the remaining months of the year, which includes our stay.
Next, let's review food and drinks. One of the best perks of staying at Elite Hotel Sitges, a full breakfast buffet is included with every stay, and it's available until late.
If you're like us and love to sleep in after a big night out, this is a game changer.
The breakfast spread includes fresh pastries, made-to-order eggs, fruit, meats, cheeses, coffee, and juices, plenty to fuel up before a beach day.
And of course, you have the SkyBar on the rooftop for drinks throughout the day. Highly recommend grabbing a cocktail and heading to the Infinity Spa for the ultimate vacation vibes.
So what did we think of our stay at Elite Hotel Sitges?
Honestly, we loved it. If you're looking for a small, intimate gay hotel with a fun, friendly, and clothing optional vibe, this is the spot.
The location is perfect, the rooftop sun deck and infinity spa are fantastic, and the social atmosphere makes it easy to meet other guests.
Our only complaint? Since it's a small hotel, it can book up quickly. This is our first trip with availability, so if you're planning a trip to Sitges, definitely reserve your room well in advance.
Before we wrap up, we've got a few quick travel tips to help you make the most of your stay in Sitges.
First up, if you're planning to visit in summer, definitely book early. From June to September, both the hotels and beaches fill up fast, especially during big events.
Speaking of events, try to time your trip around Sitges Pride in June or one of the two Bear Weeks in May and September. These are without a doubt some of the biggest, boldest, and best gay celebrations in town.
When it comes to packing, keep it light but stylish. Sitges has a relaxed, beachy vibe during the day, but the nightlife turns it up. So bring a few fun looks for going out.
Also, be ready to walk. Sitges is compact and super walkable, but you'll definitely get your steps in, especially if you're heading out to the gay beaches like Balmines or Playa del Muerto.
And finally, don't forget that Barcelona is just 40 minutes away by train. It's an easy and fun day trip if you want a change of scenery or some big city energy before heading back to the beach.
And that's our review for Elite Hotel Sitges. If you're looking for a gay men's boutique hotel with a nudist-friendly vibe, this is definitely one to check out.
Have you stayed here or at another gay hotel in Sitges? Drop us a comment below and let us know your experience.
And if you liked today's video, do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures.
For more gay travel inspiration, head over to our website at 2gayexpats.com. Check out the videos we've curated for you down in the Watch Next section of the description, and follow us on social media at 2gayexpats.
And don't forget to join us over on Patreon for uncensored photos, videos, and exclusive content.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Hasta luego!